Hey guys, welcome to Design Shot, and in this video I'll show you how to move your object on a custom path in After Effects. So let's get started. So here I have already uploaded my object, that is an aeroplane. So now first of all create a new composition, right? So I'll be creating a composition for 5 seconds only. So now drag your object in the composition, and after that you need to create a shape layer on which we'll be creating our custom path. Alright, select the shape layer, now select the pen tool and create your custom path. So this is my custom path. Alright, so now just go to the content of the shape layer, then the shape path, and just copy the path by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard, and then paste this into the position of your object layer. Just press Ctrl V to paste it. Now you can delete the shape layer if you want, and your object is now moving on the custom path you have created, like this. Let me play this again. Alright, so this was all about the video. Like the video and do subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.